What's up, CB nerds?
Just got done rebuilding this Rk56 Road King microphone. One of the best sound mics out there. Audio test 1, 2. Check, check. This is old school Turner, not made in China. Therefore.
So, these can be a little confusing because of the way they're wired. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin 1 is shield and audio. 2 is red. Well, sorry. Pin 1 is shield and blue. 2 is audio, which is red. 3 is transmit, which is white. And 4 is receive, which is black. So they try to confuse you because normally red is usually transmit, white's usually audio. So, first time I ever tried to wire one of these up, it really messed me up in front of a customer. It was pretty stressful. So hopefully this will save somebody else's trouble here. So this goes to the audio transformer on this Rk56, the yellow. No connection. Get this to focus. No connection. Now this yellow wire is actually connected to the blue wire. So this is your shield. So this is ground or shield. No connection. And this goes to audio transformer. And this is the other side backwards, but that'd be the shield, transmit, and then this is black, receive. And your audio wire, which is normally would be white, but this is red, this is the audio wire, goes straight to there. So 1999. I had this mic since 99. Great sounding mics. What every truck driver should have. Cuts all the background noise out. So hopefully that'll help somebody else trying to wire one of these up, because they can be a pain. So makes it a lot easier if you just change this to what the code should be. Just wire this normal, so it'd be shield in blue, white, red, black. And if you do that, then you just have to swap these around here, and so the white would go to this there, and then yeah, this is your transmit, so the red would go here. That'd be the only difference, and it'd make it a lot easier to wire in the future, and make it easier for somebody else to wire. So hopefully that'll help some of you CB nerds out. There's my rebuilt mic. This thing was trashed. Really trashed. Stained and covered in muck. It didn't have a cord on it, so that's what we just did. We put a new cord on it and wired it up. And it's working good. So this is just a quick video. Hopefully that'll help somebody. Alright, all you CB nerds, on that shot. Focus. So you can pause here Hopefully that'll help somebody out. Alright, peace.